Here's a cocktail with an enlightened twist. The tale unfolds. You don't want to miss the twist off a margarita, but in a magical sea, a world of wonder, and a drink spirit free, created by Shrug with style and grace. A splash of sour for a bold, sweet taste. Drop in the fizz and let the magic arise. A splash of soda for a sparkling surprise. Roll in a lime, cut it up to take flight. A salted rim and a citrus delight. Our drink is all crafted and ready to sail. Served by Shrug and wrapped in a tale. Transformed in a flash, like the stories we keep. Stamped and sealed, where the magic runs deep. One last reminder, and I'll try not to shout. It's a twist off a margarita, but the sauce is out.